The Center for Interdisciplinary Justice Studies is a scholarly collective housed in the Criminal Justice Department at the University of Winnipeg that connects professionals, scholars, and community activists of justice from across Canada and beyond. Our members are involved in justice initiatives through research, teaching, and community outreach through open, accessible, and free events.
Each year, we organize a conference on a justice-related theme. It all started in 2009 with Theorizing Justice. Since then, we have practiced justice, educated justice, visualized, secured, represented, and accessed justice. Last year, the theme was Digitizing Justice, when we talked about justice in digital and online realms. We had 8 fantastic keynote speakers and over 40 individual paper presentations on a range of themes, from digital punishment to digitizing academia. Our conferences are always free, accessible, and open to the public.
A big part of what we do is the annual review of interdisciplinary justice research. The IJR is a peer-reviewed, open-access scholarly publication that publishes original research articles, book reviews, artistic and photo essays on a range of justice issues related to the conference theme. What makes the IJR so unique is the broad range of disciplines and perspectives that are reflected in the journal. Everything from law, criminology, criminal justice, to psychology, political economy, geography. It truly is an inter- and multidisciplinary publication. It's an outlet for bridging disciplinary divides and fostering an inclusive conversation both within and beyond the academy.
We are extremely excited to announce our next conference on the theme of mobilizing justice in May 2020 at the University of Winnipeg. There will be talks and panels on a variety of issues, including carceral geographies, mobility, securities and borders, activism, knowledge mobilization, and online and virtual forms of mobility. This is a great and stimulating place to present your research and make these important connections with other people doing justice work. We're also planning a variety of activities outside the formal conference program that will provide opportunities to socialize, relax, and learn more about the places and spaces of justice in Winnipeg.